The Farmer and the Golden Seed. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer named Daniel. He worked hard every day, but his crops never grew as well as he hoped. One morning, while plowing his field, Daniel found a strange golden seed shining in the soil. "What a beautiful seed," he said. An old traveler passing by noticed the seed and warned him, "This is no ordinary seed. It will give you exactly what you give it." Daniel didn't understand, but he planted the seed in the center of his field. The next day, he watered it carefully. A tiny sprout appeared. Excited, he continued caring for it. Every day he gave it water, attention, and patience. Within weeks, the plant grew taller than any crop in the village. Soon, it produced dozens of golden fruits. When Daniel opened one fruit, he found gold coins inside. His life changed overnight. News spread quickly. A wealthy neighbor named Victor became jealous. He secretly stole one of the golden fruits and planted its seeds in his own field. But unlike Daniel, Victor was impatient. He wanted riches immediately. Every day he shouted at the plant, "Grow faster. Give me more gold." He even poured extra fertilizer and chemicals on it. The plant grew quickly, but instead of golden fruits, it produced thorny branches. One morning, Victor tried to harvest the plant and was scratched by hundreds of sharp thorns. Angry and confused, he visited the old traveler. The traveler smiled and said, "The seed gives back what it receives. Daniel planted patience, kindness, and hard work. You planted greed and impatience." Victor finally understood his mistake. From that day forward, he changed his attitude and began helping others in the village. Years later, both farmers became successful not because of magic seeds, but because they learned the value of character. Moral of the story: life often returns what we give it. If we plant kindness, patience, and hard work, we are more likely to harvest success and happiness.